pag musician ka, you entertain. You make people happy.
Mhm.
Ganun din sa public service kasi when you do things for the people, you have to make them happy. So the programs that you will put forth dun sa district kung saan ka nagre-represent or the sector where you represent kung party list ka, kailangan you make them happy. Importante yung gumawa ka ng mga proyekto na makakatulong sa buhay nila. And same thing with entertainment. Sabi nga ng mga kaibigan ko di ba, when you sing, you want people to either laugh or cry or remember something, di ba?
Yeah.
And ganun din kami sa public service. When we do things, we want people to remember us in what we do and the projects that we'll put forth. Para nang sa ganun, meron kang legacy na maiiwan. And that's the goal of a public servant, na to leave a legacy sa ating bansa so that pagdating ng panahon, maalala ka ng tao na siya to.
Mhm.
Si Brian Yamsuwan to. Diba?